Hey guys, welcome back. So I just finished recording a second Halloween makeup look, which is for a werewolf. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that the mic was not on throughout the entire video until I was going to edit. Because I was recording another video right after, I took off all the makeup, I took off everything, and then when I was about to sit by the computer to edit, the audio was all gone. But fortunately, the process was going to be a voiceover audio, so that's not much of a problem. But the intro, obviously, I have to re-record now, and the outro, I'm doing a voiceover for it. But stick around so you guys can see how to do an easy werewolf makeup. Let's get started.
I'm going to start by using the Neutrogena Shine Control Primer to put all around my face before starting the makeup. You want to make sure the primer is spread evenly over the skin. This will prevent makeup from getting into your pores, causing irritation and breakouts. I'm using Wet n Wild Coverall Concealer to put right under my eyes because we want to have that section lighter than the rest of our skin. Because we want the makeup to last longer, I decided not to use regular Halloween makeup and instead bought the e.l.f. concealer in a rich ivory color. You want to go in as if you're doing a contour on your face, giving those marks on your nose, your hairline, and your jawline. In this case, it was my beard line. Then you go in with a sponge and blend. Make sure you blend enough to get rid of any streaks, obviously avoiding the inner part of your face. I am going to use a very pale, almost white color foundation. I have no idea where I got it, but I'm going to use it right in the bridge of my nose to highlight that and use a little bit right under my eyes, just kind of make them even a little lighter. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline New York black eyeshadow to put around my eyes and the inner corners of my nose. I'm going to use the same eyeshadow to put around my beard and just give it a darker shade. Next, we're going in with the LA Colors eyeliner. You can obviously use any eyeliner that you have. I, aside from this eyeliner, also am going to use a liquid eyeliner to give the lines a little more definition. I don't know if you saw in my previous video. If you haven't seen my video, make sure you check that out for the Voodoo Priest. But I wish I would have had that eyeliner to give the lines a little more definition. So you want to draw your lines, whiskers, hairs inwards towards the face. I guess the easiest way would be kind of just have them facing your eyes. It'll give the illusion that the hairs are growing inward. I also added some eyeshadow around my hairline to give the illusion of having more fur going inward from my scalp. Now I started working with the hair around my eyebrows and the hairs going inward towards my nose. In this particular area, it was easier for me to use the NYX Eyeshadow Base cream because using the little brush was giving me a little more of a darker and thinner illusion for the hairs around my nose. The camera cut off before I could show you how I did my nose, but it's just fairly simple. You are going to just draw with an eyeliner and fill it in. Now I'm going in and adding hairs to my eyebrows just to give them a fuller look. This next step is optional, but I went in with the Royal Affairs by bhcosmetics eyeshadow and added some red on my lower lashes just to give my eyes a little more pop. Lastly, I'm going to go in with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. This is going to help your Halloween makeup last longer, definitely. So this is it, the final look. Unfortunately, as you guys know, when I said in the beginning of the video, I have no audio for this, so I have no idea what I was saying. I do remember saying I was maybe look like a cat, which I do kind of feel like I look like a cat unless I had some fangs, but with the look, I really do like it all together. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. Also, if you do this look, please tag me on my Instagram or on here so I can see what your looks are like. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.